How's everyone doing? Okay, I got my toothbrush here and got some disclosing tablets. Okay, maybe we can do some disclosing time videos. I've not been coming on live for a while. How's everyone on a Sunday? Yeah, now it's about 10 p.m. plus in Singapore. Hi. How's everyone doing? Okay, on a Sunday. Good. Hello, hi Michael Jackson, King of Pop. Hi. Hi, Bubble Cookies, Gummy, good Tanish. Hi, good Zoe, the Susie Baka. Hi, Gummy, good. Hi guys, hi. Good to have everyone here on YouTube Live and TikTok Live. Okay, good to have everyone here. Hello, hi. You're seeing me live in Singapore. Okay, this is Dr. Tristan here. All right. Good to have everyone here. Noob Personality, thanks for the super chat. All right. Yeah, thank you very much. You don't have to, but thank you. How's everyone doing? All good? Friends from Sembawang, hi. Good to have everyone here. Yes. Yeah, if you have any dental questions, feel free to let me know. Okay, I will do my best to answer your questions. I'm doing great. Thank you. Okay, evening time in Singapore. I think just yesterday, Channel News Asia did a video. Channel News Insider did a video on what's inside your toothpaste. You can check out my link. Actually, I include a link in my TikTok, but maybe not on YouTube. Later, I'll put the link there. You can have a look. Yeah, very nicely done by Channel News Asia. All right, how many years did it take? I have been practicing dentistry for 17 years. Okay, started since 2004. All right, good. Let's see, are you hearing me well so far? Sally Baba, your birthday today. Happy birthday to you, Sally Baba. Good. Yeah, fantastic. I hope you have a great time. Okay, good. Shruti, hi. Bubble Cookies. Yes, you'll be right back. All right. Good. 10:15 p.m. now in Singapore. Why do you have a tongue scraper? Tongue scraper to clean the tongue, obviously. You can use a tongue scraper to clean the tongue. If you don't have a tongue scraper, you can use your toothbrush to clean. Or last but not least, you can also use your spoon to clean the area. Malay, not so much. Maybe satu dua tiga. All right. Yes. What can I do for you? Okay. How to brush your teeth? All right. Let's talk about how to brush your teeth. Okay. If you look at our teeth itself, okay, to brush your teeth, always the best way to put your toothbrush is to position it 45 degrees to the tooth. Okay, you position it 45 degrees to the tooth. You want to squeeze the bristles into the gum pocket, jiggle gently, then brush upwards. That's the modified bite standing. That's the best way to clean. And of course, when you brush your teeth, always make sure you clean 3 rounds. The outside surface, the biting surface, and the inside surface. Okay? Outside, biting, and inside. Now go 3 rounds, then we'll miss any teeth. Alright, I'm in Singapore now in my balcony. Okay? Dressed up in my clinker attire. By my shorts. In my shorts, yeah, it's nighttime already in Singapore, so after wearing this, after doing this live, later I'll be going to sleep. Yeah. Alright. You have a cut on your gum, okay. If your gums are bleeding, okay, brush well, floss well, keep it clean. Area will get better. You can use a mouthwash, okay, but if it's not getting better, then definitely good to see your dentist for a good check. Okay. Alright, good. Okay. Hi. Alright. If bite yourself, sometimes it happens if you accidentally bite yourself when you're eating. So what you can do, be a little bit more mindful, maybe chew on the other side, give it a little bit more time to heal, and you'll be fine. Alright. Okay. If you like what you're seeing, guys, remember to like on TikTok and also like on YouTube. Okay. Good to have everyone here. Yes. Look at you. Alright. Looking at friends from YouTube and TikTok. We're doing live on both area. Good. Hi, Dr. Roy Go. Hi. Hi. Alright. Hi. We have a Dr. Roy here. He said, how do you fix front teeth bite? What do you mean by that? If the teeth is not touching, okay, this is called open bite. Alright. If the front teeth are not touching, it's an open bite. Let's say the back area is touching, then braces is the option to correct the bite. If the bite is too front, okay, then braces is usually the most conservative way to get treatment done. Alright, Olivia, thanks for the likes. Thanks for liking my shots. Dylan, my favorite hobby. I used to play a little bit more table tennis and basketball, but not so much now. Now, maybe dentistry, spending time with my family, and doing YouTube and TikTok videos. Yeah. Alright. I'm Singapore Chinese, okay, and yes. Alright, good. Thanks, guys. Any questions? Let me know. The clinic I'm in Sandro Dental Surgeon, okay, in Tanjong Pagar. I am 42 this year, going to be 43 soon. Sleepy Core, thanks for the flowers on TikTok. Wow, thank you. You don't have to, but thanks. Alright, good. Yes. Any questions? Okay, what should we do to make our teeth straight? Okay. To make our teeth straight, we have, I would say the most conservative is braces. Okay. Most conservative is braces. To make our teeth straight, you get a dentist to put, you can either do traditional braces, or you can do invisible braces like Invisalign. Okay. So these are the two ways to make it straight. Of course, if you are an adult, and there's one more way, okay, which is actually called smile makeover, where we do either veneers or you do multiple crowns over the teeth, and that can get the alignment well, and you can also get the color. But usually the third method, using multiple crowns and veneers, these are not so conservative, okay, but everyone has a choice. If that's what you want, that's an option. Alright, good. Okay, yes. Alright, good. The whitening strips, okay, whitening strips, are they really effective? Studies have shown that they are effective to a certain extent. Yeah, so correct. In Singapore, we don't really see so much white strip. But in US, I think it's quite common. I think the American Dental Association also, they do endorse white strip over there. Yeah, just always good to follow the manufacturing instructions. Right. Don't love cavities. Okay, brush well, floss well. All right. Yeah, just a short live today, and well, I haven't been doing disclosing time or brushing time video for a while. So I think anyway, I'm going to brush my teeth tonight. So why don't we just do a short video? Yeah. Shout out to Thunderbeam. All right, just doing a video, and well, why not? Alright, why do we need to choose your toothbrush? Okay, when we've been using a toothbrush for a long time, the bristles will spread out. So when the bristles are all flared out, usually we can't angle the toothbrush 45 degrees into the spaces. We can't clean the gum pocket well. That's why we need to change our toothbrush every 3 monthly, 3 to 4 monthly. Alright, which tablet do you want me to use, guys? Okay, we got a purple and red disclosing tablet. Tooth filling, we can't whiten teeth filling, okay? Tooth filling, the only way to get them soft, get them whiter is either you change the filling. Yeah, usually changing the filling. You can clean up the surface by professional cleaning, okay? Alright. Just red or purple. Alright, which is your favorite? You have the red and purple disclosing tablet. Okay. Which is your favorite? Yeah, I mean I have a lot more disclosing tablet. Which is your favorite, guys? Okay, and of course, guys, remember to brush 2 times a day and floss every night. Okay, and well, just a short live and coming by to say hi to everyone. And if there are any questions, let me see. Yes, Terrence, we can do both. Yeah, we can use the pink one. Yeah, to brush your teeth in toilet cleaning brush. Oh my, what are you doing? All right, good. Pink. Okay, good. Purple and pink. Actually, I like both. I love the purple more. But both are equally nice. There's only two color at this point in time for Disclosing tablet. Just for fun, okay? Good. Okay, that's the thing about having 2 phones. Okay. This is the purple Disclosing tablet. Pink Disclosing tablet. Right. Okay. Purple or pink Disclosing tablets, which is your favorite? Is it a purple or is it a pink? Both are equally nice, but I would say the purple one actually shows, I think purple one shows better, I guess. It's disclosing. What should I be saying? I haven't been using the words. Alright, purple, pink. You see, wow, so many love from India. Hi guys. Good to have everyone here. Okay, just doing a short Q&A, Disclosing tablets. Since I'm gonna brush my teeth, let's brush together. It's disclosing time, guys. They taste sweet. Disclosing tablet makes dental plug visible, so you can see where to brush and floss better. The way to use it is to chew, swallow the saliva, taste sweet, like a sweet. Smells nice. So after you chew, you swirl. A little more needed. See, I don't have a lot of dental plug. Maybe I've been brushing. Yeah, if you have dental plug, so after chewing this one tablet, these are the before. I forgot to do my toothbrush. The toothpaste. Toothbrush is here, but not the toothpaste. Give me a second. Dali toothpaste. I love Dali toothpaste. I like minty toothpaste. Of course, moist your toothbrush with water. Okay. For children less than 3 years old, use a smear layer amount or right grain amount of toothpaste. For children less than 8 years old, okay, less than 8 years old, use a pea-sized amount of fluoride toothpaste. Alright. And this is Dr. Tristan Pei. Remember to brush 2 times a day and floss every night. It's brushing time. Yes, it's brushing time. Yeah. Yes, I'm really watching Naruto. Okay. Using electric toothbrush, let it glide. So let it move. Let it move as you. Normally, after using the fluoridated toothpaste, you don't need to rinse with a lot of water. But because I'm using Disclosing tablet, so that's why I'm rinsing. Okay, always go for 1 round, the outside surface. One round, bottom to the end, one end to the other end. Then the edging surface. Bottom, one end to the other end. Next inside surface. And that's how you brush. See, the toothbrush is stained with the Disclosing tablet. I'm doing a TikTok live on TikTok live and YouTube live, guys. Remember to subscribe on YouTube and TikTok if you enjoy what you're seeing. Okay, follow me to learn more dental tips also. All right, thanks for following me since 23K subscribers. All right, thanks friends from Philippines and yes. Let's look at the after. Do I clean well? Is it better? Hi, Steven. Hi. Hi, Steven Young. Hi. I have friends from Kanyam. Is it? Is there? I think there's still some dental plug. There's still there. So that's why brushing only clean 3 surface, you still need to floss. So you get a dental floss. Alright. And remember to floss every night, guys. Alright, so when you floss, okay, turn 2 rounds, get the dental floss to twirl around one of the index finger. Okay, just to show you how to floss. Index finger twirl. After this, usually I make one, I don't lock one side of the floss, either using 2 thumbs or using thumbs and index finger. I can do this by seesawing. Okay, look at the front teeth, always seesaw. Get the floss into the gum spaces, hug it like a C shape, then go up and down. Hug. This is how you can floss the area. So always start flossing from one end to the other end. Alright, always start flossing from one end. to the other end. Flossing my teeth. Go to floss every night, guys. If the gums are not ideal, you'll bleed. Keep flossing, then we'll get better. Just done brushing just now. But anyway, I'll show brushing again. Showing flossing first. Done brushing already. This is how you can floss your teeth, guys. Flossing then can clean in between the teeth. Brushing doesn't help. Now for the lower. Is that who trapped there? Ooh. Be very patient with your flossing, guys. Hot and scrub. Hot and scrub. I like to start flossing here, then usually go to the end, but I like to start from the other end. Sure, later I can show you brushing again. I just finished brushing just now. Hot. So always seesaw the floss into the gum spaces, okay? Then go down gently, hard and scrub. To clean the back teeth usually very difficult. Front is easy. A lot of people can do it. Front is seesaw, hard and round. To clean the back, usually you need to get a certain finger to hug, to push against the cheek. In this case, I use my tongue to push the cheek, then I can use the other thumb to move my floss. Yeah, dental digest and dentist, they are all friends. Yeah, on the 27th floor, okay, and there's a lot of wind. Alright, so that's about flossing. Any questions about flossing, guys? Okay, good. Any questions? Nah, flossing does not. Fortnite Pro 612 is asking, does flossing makes my teeth bad? Not so sure. Flossing helps to clean in between the teeth, that will get the gums better. Can you collaborate with both dental digest and dentists? Guys, now we have TikTok and we can actually do a lot of duets. Of course, yeah, definitely a good idea to duet, collaborate. Yeah, we are working on something. Yeah. Alright, good. Snapchat, no, don't have. I'm standing away of the leftist. Maybe this is. Is this direction? Is the camera inverted on YouTube? I don't think so. Okay. So how to brush your teeth? Of course, just 0.45 degree. Okay, seesaw into the area, then brush upwards. That's just the right way to brush. That's called a modified bus technique. Hi, my clinic is in Singapore, St. Andrew's Dental Surgeon. You can check out the link in my bio, guys. All right, good. See any questions here? Okay. My phone brand, Apple. I'm using Apple. This is SE, and this is I think Apple 13 Max. I remember. So many toothbrush. Okay, Pepsodent toothbrush or Pepsodent toothpaste, is it good? Any toothpaste is fine. Just choose a toothpaste with at least 1,000 parts per million of fluoride, and also a flavor that you like. I love minty toothpaste, minty flavor. So that's just fine. All right, good. Don't know. I think I'm a righty, isn't it? Yeah, I'm right-handed. I love fluoride. I love minty toothpaste. Yeah, good. Welcome aboard, Pro Thunder God Ghost. Wow. For joining, for following me on TikTok. All right, guys. Good. Gon Hala. Hi. Yeah. Gami Tami. Nice to meet you too. All right. Good. You brush your teeth 4 times a day. Sub if you like my drawing. You brush your teeth 4 times a day. Is it okay? Brushing 2 times a day is actually good enough. Okay. American Dental Association actually suggests brushing 3 times a day. It's actually fine. 2 to 3 times is actually okay. Anthony T. All right, your name. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. Glad to be your favorite YouTuber. All right. Who's your favorite YouTuber? Mine is, I would say Dental Digest, I would say, and Mr. Beast. Yeah, Mr. Beast is awesome. Yeah, so many. And TikTok also, wow, so many people from TikTok I'm learning and watching from. I'm 42 years old this year. Yeah. So many things to learn from. Hi. Thanks for the likes, guys. Okay, thanks for the liking and sharing and good. Just watching Mr. Beast. Wow, and the Squid Game is awesome. Wow, really. Unbelievable. Thank you. Good. Glad to be one of your favorite YouTuber. I'm old enough to be your grandmother. Maybe grandfather lah, not grandmother. All right. Yeah, Dental Digest is a friend. He's a dental student in Chicago University, I guess. Yeah. One fine day when I go down to US, I will want to visit. But not now. Why does my mouth taste like metal? Try brushing well and flossing well. Grandfather is 45. Wow. My grandfather is very young. Yeah, I'm 42 this year. My daughter is only 10 and 7. Yes, I'm from Singapore. Alright. Okay. If you brush too hard, our teeth surface has 3 layers: enamel, white, dentine, yellow, turns. Brushing too hard. Let me get the diagram. I'll show you. So our teeth has 3 layers. Enamel is the first layer, dentine second layer, third is the nerve. If you brush too hard, the first layer enamel can wear off, and when the yellow area wear off, this area become thinner. The first layer is the one that is whiter, the enamel, and when this wear away, this part become thinner, then the yellowness will show more. Then the tooth become more, will appear more yellow. So of course, brush gently and use a soft toothbrush, guys. That's important. Alright, good. Brush slowly, okay? Brush thoroughly more important. So brushing the whole teeth. I've done the brushing and flossing. So after using Disclosing tablet, all the stains are gone. Sort of. I think still have a little bit in between the teeth. So got to floss well, guys. How to find a dentist? Usually, I'm not so sure how to find the best dentist, but I think most patients that or from what we understand, most patients actually are refer. So word of mouth, I think it's a key thing when you are finding a dentist. So maybe through your friends or also any friends who when they have a experience with a particular dentist that they enjoy, okay, then maybe you can actually go and look for them. Yeah, usually word of mouth is still one of the key things. But saying so, I also have patients from social media coming by. Yeah, thank you guys for supporting me on TikTok, YouTube, and also in my clinic. Remember to brush 2 times a day and floss every night, guys. Okay, good. Should we brush our teeth fast or slow? Okay. Brushing fast or slow is not the most important. Okay, most important is brushing thorough. And if you brush very fast and brush very slow, but you don't reach the back teeth, then of course it doesn't help. So making sure that instead of opening your mouth so wide, close your mouth halfway, then you can stretch the cheek, then you can clean the back area better. If you can use the modified bus technique by pushing, getting a toothbrush 45 degrees in the area, that would be great. If not, just up and down. Okay? If not, up and down. Electric toothbrush, if it's moving, let it move. Don't need to move, just glide. If manual brush, then you do up and down. Alright, up and down is the most basic, easiest for everyone. Toothbrush brand, soft toothbrush will be good. Any soft toothbrush will be good. Electric versus manual, electric toothbrush does shown to clean better. Alright, good. How to stop bad breath? Okay, brush, floss, use tongue scraper, mouthwash, avoid foods like sulfur containing food. Okay, like what? Certain food like onion, garlic, all this can give bad breath. So of course, see your dentist every 6 months, your dental professional every 6 monthly to 1 yearly would be a great idea. Alright, and electric toothbrush, studies have shown that electric toothbrush does clean better. Okay, and is it better to brush? This is a very common question. Is it better to brush your teeth before or after breakfast? It really doesn't matter. So brushing before or after meals is actually fine. Okay, there's actually no major issue with that. But if you want to brush after meal, then make sure that if you happen to be taking anything acidic, like acidic things like lemons, orange juice, then good to wait a good 30 minutes before you brush your teeth. The acidic nature from the food can actually soften the tooth enamel surface, and when you brush, sometimes you can wear away the tooth. So good to wait for a good half an hour before brushing. Alright, wow, we have 5.3k likes. Thanks guys for liking on TikTok, and yes, all the likes. We have 242 likes on YouTube. Okay, YouTube you can only like once. Okay, so it's a little bit different. Alright, good. Thanks for invitation on the Delta 6905. Maybe we can do the live together again another time. Alright, thanks. And good. Braces in Singapore can range. How much are braces cost in Singapore? Can be from 4,500 to maybe like 6,000, 7,000. And if you look at invisible braces, it can go as much as 8,000. What happens if you brush once a day? Okay, if you brush once a day, and you brush it proper and well, you might still be able to get away with it. But do brush 2 times a day. Alright, because most people are not able to brush well enough. Okay, so good to brush 2 times a day. If Invisalign hurt, how to help the pain? When you after the initial when you have a new tray for Invisalign, or when you have done your braces after the adjustment, usually there will be some discomfort. That's very normal when the wires or the tray is trying to move your teeth to a certain position. So the pressure from the tray or the wires will actually get you to feel the discomfort, and that's very normal. If you really need to, you can take some paracetamol to help with discomfort. You can grab some ice cream, okay? That will make it more comfortable. All right, good. Okay, wow, guys. All right, thank you guys, everyone for being here. Okay, got to go already. Okay, so remember to follow me on TikTok and YouTube. Okay, and if remember to brush 2 times a day. Okay, 2 times a day and floss every night. It's not for myself, but for all of you. Okay, I really want you all to have good teeth for life. Okay, so to have less dental problems. All right, and Ronnie, Julie, Roblox. Okay. Jay, hi. Oh, good. Yes, brush your teeth before, after meal. If it doesn't really matter brushing before or after, just make sure that if you take anything acidic, good to wait for a good 30 minutes before you brush. Otherwise, the acidic nature from the food can soften the tooth, and you brush. Sometimes it can wear away, and over a long period that can wear off your teeth. So brush gently. Okay, good. Yes, good. Thanks, guys. Got to go already. Okay, good to have everyone here. Okay, and I will see you all soon. All right, thank you. Yes, I'm on YouTube, TikTok, and also on YouTube Live. Okay, thanks everyone. Thank you very much for being here. Love you all, guys. All right, bye-bye. Thanks, guys. Have a good night. Goodbye.